Okay, hello everyone. My name is Kadi. Today is the 25th of April, and I might take this breakout here depending on how this candle closes. Okay, never mind. That's why I was like, bro, OBS be playing with me because it's like, it don't want to capture the screen. It really don't want to capture the screen, and I'm like trying to get y'all so y'all can see it. And now I'm trying to get into this trade. It don't want to, like, but okay, no breakout. Because I was like, bro, like what's going on? But yeah. Oh, damn it. MNQ. I don't really like that candle, but it might work. But it might work. I'm gonna have to hold the trade a little bit more than a 1-to-1 because I lost yesterday. So I'm just looking for a good setup. This is 112. Let's see how much that is. 112. Oh, I'm like not in the right one. 112. One contract. One contract. 56. So if I do one until, let's say, 224. Oh, so it would, so this trade I'd probably hold, if I was in it, I'd hold for um a 1-to-2 so that I can cover yesterday's loss and then some. But I was only looking at MES. So if that one takes off, bummer, but it's okay. Um, yeah, I haven't really seen like anything really good, so I've just been here. Not gonna be like I've just been here patient. It's only been 17 minutes, so it's not like it's been like an hour. But if there's nothing good, nothing that falls in within my setups and all that stuff, I will not be taking the trade. I will not be. Damn, it looks so good right now. It's crazy, but it's okay. It's all right. It's not because I am frustrated, but I'm like frustrated in the like damn, why didn't I see that? Or why wasn't I looking at it? Because I was just looking at MES. But that's okay. If it's meant to be, then it will be, then it will be. Baby, then it will be. I ain't even gonna lie, like this price action right now makes me not that confident, to be honest. Like I like if we look at the 1 hour, I'm bullish because price overall is bullish, right? But I do see that price has these gaps down here, and also that this bearish candle is like very large and stuff like that. But I'm still bullish because of the 1 hour. Following my rules. MGC, not gonna lie, I'm a little bit confused on, right? Like I'm saying bearish because price was bullish. But hold on, let me just check this real quick. This is the weekly. Price was bullish, but I feel like price is coming down now. Perhaps to tap into that zone on the daily. Who knows? But yeah, no, that was just out of pocket. But yeah, I don't know. We will see. That's when I'm like bullish down. Ooh, okay. We might have something here. A little supply zone. Price price hasn't breaking like major structure, but it's still on that thing. So let's see what price wants to do here. That's MES, MNQ. It's right here. Yeah, so that's the reason why I'm bullish on MNQ and MES. I'm just looking at the 1 hour for gold, and I'm like, okay, yeah, price has all this bullish, but let's look at what's happened or what has happened, which is a little confusing to me, honestly, because it's like price went up, or sorry, down, but this is up in the way how I'm looking at it. Price went up, price went down, it's good, but then price failed to make a new high, and then price broke that low point, right? But then price made another high. So I'm just like, okay, this is definitely like consolidation type shit, bro. And I understand that the 200 EMA is right here. I'm not blind to that. So that's why I'm like, okay, is it bearish? But they're right now, but then it's like this is the area where it turns, because if you look in this area, price was bearish and then it went bullish. Price is back into this point. There's a demand zone. It's like a demand zone. That price invalidated, but still like still supporting resistance. So I'm just like, I'm just literally like, I don't know. There's liquidity up here, of course. So price gives me a tap, I will take it. But that's all about if. We gotta see how it goes, because I don't know. MQ. That's how it looks like. MES. Every day is so wonderful, uncertainty. And then price broke this low right here, and then price is like right here, not breaking highs. So let's see, break this low, see, hopefully break that low, and then we're coming back up, or coming back up. So hopefully, you know, who knows? Let's just see how it reacts to the zone, if it taps into the zone. Okay. Again, we'll still be going for a 1 to 2, depending on the range. We'll see what it looks like. I'm not entirely sure, but let me see shorts. Let's say the price tap here, 34, and that's the candle. 34 times 2, so that'd be 68 on the risk, times 2 on that to possibly make 136. I have no idea what's going on. I'm just like saying, like, just in case, if you know. But you know, I'm glad that I have like a little bit of a larger account, because it's like, if I lose this trade, you know, it's not, it is taking me down, but it's not like all of my money is like gone, and it's like very hard for me to like possibly get it back. Oh my gosh, I have to use the bathroom. Okay, I have to use the bathroom. I'll be back. Okay, we're back. Oh. My stomach in the morning, you know. Anyway, back to the regular program. Let's see what's going on. So if you didn't lose any trades, M&Q give you the 101, I think. Yeah, look at that. Nice little 1-1. See, I need to hold this trade because I have to cover a loss. So, quite curious to see what's happening. Let's check the 1 hour. So if this is, you know, like if this was a bearish setup for us, listen, we have 13 EMA, 50 EMA, we have 200 EMA all pointing this way. So it's not like this is like the worst trade idea ever. So if it doesn't pan out and it's this small, this is on gold, I probably have to go into this like several times. 20 seconds. 17. So this is 19. So I have to go in 3 times. 3 contracts. Gold. And then let's really go in here. And I can't even zoom in more. Oh, I'm in it. Did that happen right though? Did they get me in properly though? Well, I sure hope so. And sell limit. No, buy stop. I have to hold for 1 to 2 because I have to cover the losses. So it's not going to be as simple as like a little thing right here. So 19. So I'm risking $57 to potentially make, I don't know, 38 ticks. So $114. I ain't going nowhere. 30 career minimum. 3304. No, that's the wrong one. Where am I? Oh, 3304. 3304. So what would that be? So I can like try to track it. Iron beam. So it's like a little bit above the last wick, just a little bit above it on iron beam. A little bit above the last wick. So we're like sell stop. A little bit above, like right there. So let's see what happens. Yeah, anything can happen. Just we're here and we're just trying our best. That's really it. We're going for 1 to 1. I'm really holding these. Like I have to hold this. Like it would be improper risk management for me to not hold this to TP. And if it stops me out, I'll try again come Tuesday. Because no. You know what I mean? Like we're following our rules, we're following market structure. And this is just the name of the game. How do I feel? I feel my heart is beating faster. It's not, you know, beating like crazy hard. Of course it's because, you know, I'm coming from a loss. So it's like I really want to win on this one so that I can cover the loss and then some. I'm okay with holding. I know that right now it's like TP already hit for the regular one, but that's not what we're here for. So that's the whole thing. It's like, you know, it's like if we didn't lose yesterday, um, we would be out of the trade, and the like that uncomfortableness of being in the trade would be over now. So it's like it's just one of those things that just kind of have to work on and deal with and be okay with if it doesn't go your way, because this is a long-term sport. I am here, I am present, and I am not playing games. I am following my rules. I am being attentive. Oh, I don't know what's going on. Anyway, anytime you see stuff like that, it's like, oh, you're like, ooh, price like to be playing with you. It'd be like, oh, I don't know what just happened. Okay, well, price just hit TP, so I'm out. I don't know what just happened. So we made 103. We good. I'm good. I'm good. I don't know what just happened though. It like put me into a couple more trades. I don't know. But I got my 1 to 2. Gucci. We covered the loss from yesterday and then some a little bit because it was an $88 loss. We just made 103. So 88 plus 103. That is not what I was supposed to be doing. So we made $15 today, covering the loss of yesterday's. Maybe we should have held. Damn, maybe we should have. That's a really nice candle. But listen, I'm perfectly fine with my 1 to 2. I came in with a 1 to 2, so that's exactly what I'm okay with leaving with. So yeah, it's nice a feeling to, cover the loss from yesterday. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let me close these charts because niggas will make you feel bad for just following your rules. But you know what? Let's take a screenshot. Let's take a screenshot. Yep. So that's it. That's really it for today. Um, so just a quick recap. So this morning I checked the 1 hour. I'm not gonna lie. Let me go bar replay. This morning so it usually gets me like right here, right? So this is what I'm seeing on the 5 minute, and then of course, I check the 1 hour first. Not gonna lie, I was originally thinking bulls because of this high probability demand zone right here, the 200 EMAs right here, this, that, and a third. But it was looking funky, I'm not gonna lie. And gold was confusing me as far as direction today. I'm not gonna lie about that because I could see why. Because, like, sometimes, like, it looks bearish, it's going down, but then it's close to the 200 EMA and it'll close past the 200 EMA. So you may be feeling like, oh, yeah, like it's going down, it's going down. But just like, um, I don't just like what happened in this area, right? It's like, oh, look at that. We see price closing past the 200 EMA just for it to do some basically double bottom shit to close above the 13 EMA, and you could have took that as a breakout. And this is on the 1 hour, by the way. So that's exactly, I mean, and that stuff might just happen here, but that was the stuff that I was concerned about today. Was like, is price gonna make me feel like it's bearish, but then it just does something that actually shows that it's a bullish market? And I was like, I don't know. But what I did was I like inverted the chart, and when I did that, I was able to see that like price has been making bearish structure for all this time, like higher, lower lows, lower highs. But this time it looks like higher highs, higher lows, higher high. So I was just like, wait, hold on. Price makes more sense when I have the chart like this way. So I dropped down to the 5 minute. Damn it! Like, come on now. I dropped. Oh yeah, that's the actual price. I dropped down to the 5 minute, and I had, as you can see here, I typed in bearish because that was my bias. I waited. Then I see this jump this here. So then I marked up this supply zone. And not gonna lie, this is when my stomach was like weird, so I had to use the bathroom. I did see this support and resistance setup, and I was like, wait, should this be it? But I knew that I was like, support and resistance is my setup, but I knew that I was looking at this as a supply and demand setup. So I was like, should I take it? Like, I should just take it, but I didn't end up taking it because I was just like, I was iffy about the support and resistance. Like, I was like, I don't know. So I waited for it to do the demand thing here, and then we saw what happened. Price hit TP. I went for a 1 to 2 to cover yesterday's loss, and now it's taking a 1 to 3 right here. Damn it. 58 ticks. So that would have been 174 if I held to a 1 to 3 rather than 95. And that's literally the zone that I had marked up as far as like liquidity and like price. That's fire. That's fire. Was I scared? Did I not want to? I was just more so thinking, okay, we had an $88 loss yesterday. What can get us over that and then some? The 1 to 2, because that was worth 19. That was worth, hold on, give me a second. I put, wait, 19. Wait, 19 contracts. 19 ticks. So if I had 38 ticks, it was supposed to be 114, but I think I got myself in. It was weird. Anyway, it was weird. But anyway, it should have been 114, but that's okay. You know, did I lose today? No. So I'm not tripping, but man, that sucks. Oh, that would have been such a good trade. But I'm not afraid to hold. As you can clearly see, like I can hold for a 1 to 2. I can hold for a 1 to 3. I just didn't end up doing it for this one, unfortunately. Damn. Damn. Well, glad we didn't take that trade. But all right. Well, that's the end for me. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'm out. Bye.